Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Quick tutorial about how to view the stories that have been viewed by other people. So if you've posted a Facebook story and want to see who viewed it, including those labeled as other viewers, here's how to check. Firstly, open of course the Facebook app, or you can also use the desktop version as well. Make sure you're logged in into the correct account that you wish to view this information for. Access your story, so tap on your story at the top of the news feed. Your story will open, showing the content you posted. Right, after that you can check the viewers list. At the bottom left corner, tap on viewers. It's going to be represented as an eye icon. This will display a list of people who have viewed your story. And the step number 4 is going to be identifying other viewers. If you see a section called other viewers, these are people who viewed your story but aren't your Facebook friends. So this happens when your story's privacy setting is set to public instead of just friends. And that's it. Now you know how to check who's viewed your Facebook story, including other viewers, which is people that are not in your friends list. Guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. Also, you can read this article as well. I wouldn't say it's that much helpful, but nevertheless. Guys, if this video helped, press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.